This, I would put on every single steak. Coffee. This is some good coffee right here. Rub, oh yes. I love you. Good stuff to put on your roast. Black garlic. Have you ever had black garlic? Step your peanut butter and jelly game up. Gotta put these on your french fries. A manly candle for the man. I hated it. I loved it. Customer service sucked. Man, they had some really good food. I'd go there again. It's worth the money. Make sure you check it out. So on our way back from Oregon, we made a stop in Reno and we had to stop by and go to one of my favorite places, which is this place right here, Pine State Biscuits. I love this place. I love the original one in Portland, Oregon. And as you can see, we're piling in here. Now, check this out. My brother-in-law is holding the door open and this is what you hear.
Hey guys, would you like to keep that door closed for me? Appreciate it. Hey guys, would you like to keep that door closed for me? Appreciate it. Hey guys, would you like to keep that door closed for me? Appreciate it.
So right away, after me bragging about this place to my family about how great this food is, that's what we get. My brother-in-law is holding the door open. He gets yelled at for holding the door open. But anyway, we decided to keep it going. But I have to say, my brother-in-law decided not to get anything to eat because of customer service. Who knows? Maybe the guy had a bad day. All right, so back to Pine State Biscuits. As you can see, they have beer, drinks, sweets, and specials, but the main thing that I like is their food. Now, to see their menu, you have to scan it on the door, safety first, and we decided to order biscuits and a variety of different things, and as you can see, here comes the food. Now, I have to say, due to COVID, restaurants have been suffering with staff, so we're giving them a little bit of leeway when it comes to quality of customer service. Now, this baby right here, this sandwich is my all-time favorite. Look at it. Eggs, cheese, the country gravy, which is my favorite. I love their country gravy. It's creamy, it's kind of sweet, and it has nice chunks of sausage in it. I can eat this stuff on top of bread, chicken, with pasta. I know it sounds weird, but hey, that's what it is. I love this stuff. Now, the chicken, crispy fried, spicy chicken. They make one heck of a chicken. I gotta say, it's one of the best when it comes to having it on top of a sandwich, or with a sandwich, should I say. All right, so look at it. You can see the gravy on there, the spices, and it does have a kick. Be forewarned, if you order their chicken, make sure you ask them if it's spicy or not, because it will give you a little kick in the mouth with some heat, but not too much heat. All right, so my daughter ordered a cinnamon roll. Now, it did take quite a while to get the cinnamon roll. We had to go in and ask a couple of times to see if we could get it, to see if she could get it, but we got it anyway. So my daughter, she has a sweet tooth, just like her daddy, and she's cutting into it, and I gotta say, this is one good looking cinnamon bun or cinnamon roll. I don't know. What do you call it? Cinnamon bun or cinnamon roll? But let's listen to see what she has to say. Good?
Wow. Okay, so this tastes like a candy that I used to eat when I was little.
It's like a honey bourbon.
Yeah.
Honey bourbon glaze?
Want to try it, Daddy?
Let me take a bite. Ooh,
It's like creamy, but also like something like
That's good.
sweet.
buttery,
This is my favorite. I'm ordering this every
not
day
sugar,
now.
not too sugary, not too sweet.
Remind me.
Well done.
I'm ordering this forever.
All right, so had a really good breakfast. Now it's time to get some coffee. Me and my wife and brother-in-law, we're gonna check out this place. It's right across the street from Pine State Biscuits, and it's called the Dropout Bike Shop. I guess they have some really good coffee as well as really cool bikes. All right, now back to me talking again. All right, so it's right across the street from Pine State Biscuits on Pine Street, and it's a bike shop sharing space with a coffee shop, the Hub Coffee Roasters, and it's a really cool place. Check it out. Look at the inside. I love the vibe of this place. It's really cool. Got people sitting down having coffee. You got the bike people in the back repairing bikes. And you know what? I did need to buy some new inner tubes for my bike, so it was perfect. Inner tubes for my bike, coffee for me. All right, so that's my goal right there, to see what coffees they have. And this guy right here, he's going to tell me all about it. And he does have a lot of knowledge about the coffees they serve.
That's crazy when we were driving around. I'm like, there's a coffee shop like every corner, and it's all like mom.
That's him and my brother-in-law talking. My wife.
Baker's chocolate, medium body, strawberry finish. Stone fruit baked apple, malt chocolate and spice.
Ooh, which one?
I don't know.
What's that? 32 Cheney espresso?
Oh, 32 stone fruit baked apple, malt chocolate and spice.
That's the one.
That's the one you want?
Yeah. Now they have so many coffees to choose from. All right, so I got my inner tubes for my bike and I got this. Yeah. All right, so I'm getting this 32 Cheney espresso.
That's our bread and butter right there.
Now, do you happen to have some already grinded for a cup?
Some what?
You already have some grinded up for a cup?
I can, like for a drip coffee? So right now I have our Peruvian coffee and our clandestino, which is a Colombian coffee. That's our darkest roast, but it's still on the medium spectrum.
Okay.
The Peru's a medium roast, but it's on the lighter side.
All right. And you said the other one was the Peruvian?
Peru. If you're just gonna have a black coffee, I'd recommend the Peru. If you want cream and sugar, I'd go with the Colombian.
Okay, let's do that. Colombian.
The Colombian?
Yep.
So a little bit of cream and sugar? What size do you want? 8, 12, or 16 ounce?
Let's do a 12. I gotta say, this guy knows what he's talking about. Yes. Look at all those coffees and desserts. It's a pretty cool spot, man.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting.
Yeah. I'm always looking for spots to put on my channel, so
This is the place for Reno, man.
Yeah.
This is probably one of probably the longest standing coffee shop.
oh yeah?
My boss was just here, he just left, but yeah, we've been around Reno for well over 10 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, this is our second location. Our mothership location is down on Riverside Drive. It's right on the Truckee River. It's the hub. It's just called
Okay.
the hub. But it used to look a lot prettier. They're building a bunch of apartment complexes right next to it. So
Yeah.
it's kind of torn up around the area right now. But the coffee
Okay.
shop's really nice.
Nice, nice.
How do you do with green apples?
Man, it's killing me, man. I got so many damn coffees I got to review. All right, so I did get my coffees, and I ended up getting the Peru and the 32 Cheney Espresso. Now, the 32 Cheney Espresso has a flavor profile of stone fruit, baked apple, malt chocolate, and spice. It's a blend of seasonal coffees. Now, I gotta say, it is a good coffee. And I also got the Peru. Honeydew and green apples. The flavor profile, the origin is Peru. The process, washed. Producer, Yolanda Alvarez. Honeydew, melon, green apple, and toffee. Typica Catura Burrito. Don't know what that last part means, but hey, I gotta say it's a good coffee. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, set your notifications, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.